Here's the light switch timer that we are reviewing at the moment. Overriding the controls, if you press the top button, which is the on button, it makes that noise and your lights come on. You press the off button there, you've got your program keys there, and the light will probably now go off. But to remove this bit, to reveal your light switch, there you go, it just slides off like that. Here's the back of the unit. If I press the off button, that's what it does. And the on. These rollers roll across this part, and it's all battery operated, so no wiring needed. And now watch me probably go and switch it off again. Oh no, not too bad. There you go.